Hi, I'm Amay Narendra Nerkar. I'm currently 16 and a 12th grader, living in Nasik, India. My dad is a professor and mom is a homemaker. I have a young sis who is just crazy for collecting different erasers. When I was 10, we were living in the scenic surrounding of Konkan. I saw my grandma going to temple carrying essentials with a stick. Sometimes a torch was also the part of it. She had to make quite an effort to hold all the things together. I solved her problem by inventing the stick which would help her a lot. My dad helped me to construct a prototype. Then grandma's appreciation motivated me to work for others. I got passionate about solving problems of society. Then while growing up, I had also developed some working prototypes. Few of them are: the concept of oil collecting technique struck me when the accident of MSC Chitra and MV Khaligia took place in the Arabian Sea. I was 12 then. At 13, the prototype of utilizing waste plastic for construction of roads was prepared by me. 9 December 2011, fire took place in the AMRI hospital in Kolkata, and almost 89 people lost their valuable life. This situation led me, a 15 years old kid, to develop a firefighter robot. My dad encountered an accident on two-wheeler, ended up getting up a small injury on the leg. The doctor suggested to follow the law of wearing the helmet. So realizing the pains of my dad, I was not at all ready to let others to go through the same trauma. So I googled the importance of helmet. I found a report of WHO which was named as Global Status Report on Road Safety 2013. The report was truly shocking. It says that 1.24 million people lose their valuable life on world's roads every single year. And this number? It is equal to the entire population of Mauritius. And another 20 to 50 million persons sustain non-fatal injuries as a result of road traffic crashes. Road accidents are the leading cause of death for young people aged 15 to 29 years. And as a result, it takes a heavy toll on those entering their most productive years. United Nations has declared this decade as a decade of action for road safety. Isn't it ironic that the number of people losing their life in road accidents every single year is much more than the total deaths in Second World War? And 50% of deaths on roads are of motorcyclists, cyclists, and pedestrians. The fact is, wearing a helmet correctly can result in 40% reduction to the risk of death, as well as 70% reduction to the risk of severe injury. Then, the importance of helmet grasped my attention, and that resulted in the working prototype of the smart helmet. This invention is aimed at the construction and implementation of an improved safety helmet for vehicular safety. The invention integrates ignition lockout, means it prevents the vehicle from being started should the user not wearing the helmet while on board the vehicle, thereby also serving as an effective deterrent to unauthorized use or theft of the vehicle. Means the smart helmet will never let you drive your bike unless you wear this helmet. All the research work was done at my own bike. I altered the electric circuit of my bike for the purpose. Also, the essential circuits are designed at home. The testing and other observations are also taken. All this took almost 2 months. RTO has also certified the utility. This smart helmet will save your precious life. I am also planning to add alcohol sensor to this. This will surely help to reduce the number of drunken and driving cases. This prototype is feasible for commercial production in future. I am of the firm opinion that science and scientific inventions should benefit the last man of the society, and I hope no one will hesitate to spend just $5 more to get this technology for the cost of their valuable life. Adding to this, you will also be stress-free from the theft of your vehicle, as each vehicle will be there with unique interlinking between the helmet and ignition system of the vehicle. So law will be automatically followed. I was selected for IRIS 2014 and Indian Science Congress. I am also the part of MIT Kumbhathon. Our late Indian President and great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam mentioned my innovation in his inaugural speech at Indian Science Congress. Also, the appreciation from Professor Yash Pal are the proud moments for me. So concluding the speech, I will only say that please work for the society. As Spider-Man's uncle said, great powers come with great responsibilities. We are there with the power of our mind. So it's our time to work for the betterment of our society. So use the smart helmet and be the smart and safer citizen. I thank you all for viewing and listening to me. May God bless you with a safer life. Thanks one and all. Bye.